Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Are you ready to make a hands-on impact by helping individuals with disabilities live safely and independently? Then becoming a personal care assistance provider in Florida is a great opportunity. As a provider, you will offer support with daily activities like bathing, dressing, meal prep, housekeeping, and even community outings, empowering participants to stay in their homes and thrive. Funded through Medicaid programs, PCA services must align with each person's care plan. To get started, firstly request your application from APD or AHCA, then submit your business credentials, service protocols, and staff training documentation. Secondly, complete your Medicaid enrollment through the Florida portal. Need expert help on this process? Waiver Consulting Group is here to walk you through the entire process from licensing to billing so you can focus on care that truly matters. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started today.